Ever wondered what it takes to bring super fast fiber internet right to your front door? It's a lot more than just flipping a switch. At Talkie Fiber, the journey to connect your neighborhood starts way before you can even sign up. It's a huge undertaking, so let me walk you through exactly how we make it happen. First things first, we gotta handle the paperwork. Yep, even we have to deal with bureaucracy. We start by getting all the necessary permits. This can be a complex process, involving your local county, the state, and sometimes even your homeowners association. If we're working on private property, we need everyone's green light before we can break ground. Once all those permits are stamped and approved, we move on to a really crucial safety step: calling Miss Utility. Now, this isn't a person, but a service that's absolutely vital. They come out and mark all the existing underground utility lines. You've probably seen these colorful flags or paint marks on the ground and wondered what they mean. Well, each color tells a story and helps our crews avoid causing a neighborhood-wide blackout or, worse, hitting a gas line. Let's do a quick rundown. Red marks electric lines. Orange is for communication lines like TV or other phone cables. Blue means there's a water pipe below. Green marks the sewer lines. Yellow is a big one. It signals gas or oil pipelines. Purple is for reclaimed water or irrigation systems. And finally, you might see white paint. That's us outlining the exact path where we plan to dig. It's a color-coded map that keeps everyone safe. Okay, so the area is marked and safe. Now the real fun begins. Our construction crews get to work installing the conduit. This is basically a durable, protective tubing that goes underground. Think of it as a superhighway for our fiber optic cables. As we lay the conduit, we also install vaults or handholds at strategic points. These give our technicians access for future maintenance or splicing, without having to dig everything up again. And don't worry about your lawn. Once the conduit is in, our teams do full grass restoration to make sure your property looks just as good as it did before we arrived. Next up, it's time for the main event, pulling the fiber. We thread these incredibly thin strands of glass, the fiber optic cables, through the entire conduit network we just built. Once the cables are in place, our specialized technicians get to work splicing them. This means they fuse each segment of fiber together with pinpoint precision, creating one seamless, continuous line for data to travel at the speed of light. But we're not done yet. Quality is everything. We perform rigorous end-to-end testing on the entire network. We check the signal from our central office all the way to the connection point in your neighborhood, ensuring it's perfect and ready for service. And then finally, after all that planning, digging, and testing, comes the best part. We can officially announce that Talkie Fiber is ready in your area. That is when you can sign up and have a technician come to your home for the final installation. And just like that, you're ready to experience the incredible power of 100% fiber internet. It's a long process, but bringing you the future of connectivity is worth every step.